Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make Pearl undress to impress, like her red dress. To do that, I'm just going to remove everything first except for the ones I did adjustments on, which is just the hair. Looks weird from the back, but select this hair and color it brown. Select this hair and color it this brown as well. Position the Y at 0.48, rotate the X to 0.93 and scale it to 0.66. Select this hair as well in the same color. Position the Y at 0.44, Z 0.59, scale it to 0.33. For the outfit, you don't need any VIP items for this. You're just going to use this top here, the strawberry dress top. You can either use that or the witch jacket, this one, in top only in this red color. Then for the skirt, we're just going to use the witch skirt here in that same red color. Then I'm just going to add this dress just to cover everything up. And then I'm going to also get this turtleneck in that red color as well. Get these boots and color it this brown color, 472B1B. Color the laces black. Then for the bow, we're just going to go to codes, add this bow on, and we're just going to color it this blue here, A9B9B8. Can't see that clearly, just put it so it's like a little bit more on the top here. So just drag it up using adjustments. Then we're just going to get this for the prop. I wish there was like a smaller, axe, but it's too big, so I'm just going to choose this item instead. And that's it, super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.